What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for subscribing. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Polygon. Okay, so a big topic of conversation has come up. Is Polygon truly decentralized? All right, I'm going to get into that. I'm going to explain my thoughts on Polygon and their decentralization, and then I'm going to tie it back into the nice days Polygon has been having and take a look at the chart and see where we're going from here. Okay, so with that being said, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop your comments down below. And let's get into the article. Is Polygon truly decentralized? All right. So for those of you that are aware, Polygon is an Ethereum scaling platform that is claiming to be decentralized. Okay. So part of the Ethereum network, Polygon's made their bread with the pure fact of speed and scalability. Okay, we're going to talk about the transaction differences between Ethereum and Polygon just to put things in perspective. But Polygon, what they are building with partnerships with corporations, not just crypto, but just Fortune 500 companies integrating Polygon's transacting into what one day will be our everyday lives. When you're just going to the store, especially with the NFTs, for example, you can see right here, Polygon became the primary provider of Instagram's upcoming NFT marketplace. Okay, Instagram is a huge network. Okay, so you're seeing this all over the place, one thing after another, just Polygon when we talk about just integration. All right, so these big deals are going to keep coming, and it's just the tip of the iceberg, in my opinion. Okay, so Polygon offers layer 2 scalability for Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum uses layer 1, and their focus is to improve the scalability and speed of Ethereum, not get rid of it. Okay, so that is the big thing to note. And then when you want to put things into perspective on the improvement that Polygon offers, Polygon can offer 7,000 transactions per second. Ethereum, before the merge, and even really to this point, post-merge, we're looking at a number like at a ballpark number of 20 transactions per second. Okay, for those of you that did a lot of transacting on the Ethereum, ERC20 and whatnot, the gas fees, we all were a fan of those, right? And then now we're looking at better fees, better speed, but there still is some congestion at time. And you do definitely see gas spikes when just doing simple ERC20 transactions. Okay, so that's the big note to put things into perspective. Okay, so who uses Polygon? I said all these companies that are integrating, such as Instagram, Disney, the NFL. It's becoming more and more adopted, and quite frankly, we don't even really know, and I think these companies don't even really know how they want to integrate blockchain technology fully within their day-to-day operations. And that is the scary thing when you put things into perspective when you look 5-10 years down the road. Okay, so, but the take-home note of this article is Polygon is decentralized. Okay, as I said earlier, you can be decentralized, but not all DeFi is decentralized. Okay, so when you have a DAO, which is a decentralized autonomous organization, okay, so that is more of a community that has votes based on token holders, and however the tokenomics in the DAO is set up, that is what you use as a governance body. Okay, so when you have a governance body, that is kind of a key cog with decentralization. Decentralization's pride is to take the banks, the central banks, note the word central, out of the equation. So you truly are in charge of your own tokens, your own assets, right? So that is the whole purpose of decentralization and one of the pillars. So when you have a DAO where people can govern decisions that a token makes, and in this example they use are like validators on an individual investor level, okay, there's a concern where they're not truly decentralized because of, let's say, a small token holder, a small validator, kind of not having a say in this DAO. Okay, so Uniswap has recently been under scrutiny because they had potential unethical behavior in an issue due to larger number of delegates and coin holders having a bigger voice within their DAO. Okay, so that is basically where you could see the issue that could come with, are they decentralized, and a problem that they are going to need to address. If you have, for example, a Polygon whale, or a collective body of people that have one say in what Polygon is doing, you might be able to manipulate certain power structures. Okay, so it's gonna inhibit being like your own custodian of your wallet. Okay, so this is basically what we need to have happen. Not just them just marketing and getting out there and spreading Polygon. Okay, we need to have decentralization to maintain stability within the Polygon ecosystem. Okay, they're bringing in great names, doing great things, but you can't have a delegate that has this nucleus of power when it comes to what Polygon is doing and what their DAO is governing over. Okay, it's just too much power if you want to truly stay decentralized, which will pose a threat to Polygon's success. All right, so just wanted to point that out. Let's take a quick look at the chart. Polygon continuing the rip. Earlier, it was 5% up this morning. You can see the last 7 days have been a nice green wave. Okay, trading above the 93 cent level before we saw all this uptick in activity. Got as high as $1.27. That was on the 4th of November. And, a lot of people are bullish on Polygon. $2 seems to be the price target for Polygon as they continue to develop. And quite frankly, a lot of people do not know about Matic. They do not know about Polygon. Okay, so if you zoom out, I touch upon this in previous videos. You can see their all-time high being the $2.73 level back in the end of 2021. But just to continue this rip and this tear, no real pullbacks yet. Saw some profit taking a couple days ago. However, we are still trading nicely when you look at the $1.20 level that we are approaching. And definitely a $2 price target is something that Polygon has in its vision. So not financial advice. Please do your research when it comes to Polygon and all other cryptos. And thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next one.